If you accidentally deleted a project in CapCut, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover it in just a few simple steps. This is a super helpful trick if you've lost an edit, deleted something by mistake, or just need to bring back a project you thought was gone for good. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open CapCut on your PC and let the app fully load. Once you're on the home screen, scroll a little bit down. You'll see different sections and tools inside CapCut, and what you want to look for is the trash area. This is where deleted projects are stored for a while before they're permanently removed. Go ahead and click on Trash. After you open the trash section, you should see the deleted projects you want to recover. Take a moment to find the correct one, especially if you've deleted more than one project. Once you've located it, select the project. Now look for the restore icon. This is the button that brings your deleted project back into your main CapCut workspace. Click the restore icon and CapCut will recover the project for you. After that, go back to your main projects area and check that everything has been restored properly. Your project should now be available again, ready for you to continue editing exactly where you left off. And that's it. That's how to recover a deleted project in the CapCut app on PC. It's quick, easy, and can save you a lot of stress if you ever remove something by mistake. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, fixes, and editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.